some disturbance, so I repeat again law of exponents for a real number. So previous class exercise 1.5 completed. Now start law of exponent. So let a, m, n all are natural numbers. Then a to the power m into a to the power n. This a to the power m, a is called base and m is called exponent. So a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. यदि आपका बेस सेम होगा तो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म में दोनों को पावर ऐड कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, and 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2 multiplied, then count how many times is 2. 1 2 3 4 5. So this can attain 2 to the power 5, and this is the value of 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 5, and that is 5 can attain 3 plus 2. That is 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 plus 2. That is यदि बेस सेम हो तो इनटू में पावर क्या कर देंगे, ऐड. So a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Similarly, second property, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. For example, suppose 2 to the power 3 and whole to the power 2 suppose. So this can retain 2 to the power 3 into 2, that is 6. That is both power is multiply, 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. So 2 to the power 6. Next, suppose 2 to the power 6 divided by 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 6, that is 2 into 2 into 2 up to 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 up to 6 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Divided by 2 to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. So 4 2 cancel, this 2 cancel, this also cancel, this one cancel, this also cancel. So is equal to remaining term 2 into 2, and 2 into 2 can retain 2 to the power 2, and this 2 to the power 2, this 2 can retain 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4, this 2 that is power can retain 6 minus 4, and this is the value of 2 to the power 6 upon 2 to the power 4 is equal to 2 to the power 6 minus 4. So property third, a to the power m upon a to the power n, that is divide केस में दोनों का पावर क्या हो जाएगा, माइनस. तो यहाँ पे दोनों पावर क्या कर देंगे, माइनस. सो a to the power m minus n. दिस इज द थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी. डिवाइड केस में पावर हो जाएगा माइनस. एंड नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, a to the power m into b to the power m. Here a and b are two different base, but power is same. So a to the power m into b to the power m can retain a b whole to the power m. ये m पावर क्या होगा, दोनों पे ही होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 to the power 3 into suppose 3 to the power 4, sorry 3 to the power 3, power since same, so power same, this can retain 2 into 3 to the power 3, that is 2 into 3 6 to the power 3. तो पावर सेम रहने पे बेस डिफरेंट है, तो आप दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करके होल पावर करोगे। सो दिस इज द लॉ। एंड फिफ्थ पॉइंट, सपोज a to the power n and this term taking denominator. When this term taking denominator, then power becomes sign changed. So this can written 1 upon a to the power minus n. यदि किसी भी एक्सपोनेंट नंबर को यदि आप नोमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर लाते हो तो उसके पावर का साइन हो जाएगा चेंज। सिमिलरली आप a टू द पावर माइनस m है, इसको यदि आप डिनोमिनेटर में करोगे देन पावर चेंज, दैट इज a टू द पावर m। साइन चेंज, नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा, पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे। सो दिस इज द फिफ्थ प्रॉपर्टी। Now this is read as nth root b, where n is a positive real number, n is a positive real number, and b, nth root b, or suppose this a, this is read as nth root a, read as nth, this is read as nth root of a, and this nth root, that ये रूट के अंदर n लिख रहे हो, nth root a can written a to the power 1 by n. This defined as a to the power 1 by n, where a is positive real number, a is positive real number. Then nth root power a, nth root a can written a to the power 1 by n. For example, suppose cube root 8. So this can written 8 to the power 1 by 3. Here 3, then 1 by 3, and this 8 power 1 by 3. If simplify it, if it is simplified, then this 8 can written 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. Both power multiply, so 3 3 cut, so power is equal to 2, that is 2, 3 by 3 cancel, that is 2 to the power 1, that is 2. So this is the nth root. And now example number 21. Example number 21. Simplify. First stage, 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3. सिंप्लीफाई, कैसे इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे? दोनों का बेस सेम है, तो बेस सेम में पावर क्या कर देंगे? ऐड, यूजिंग प्रॉपर्टी, using this property a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n, using this property. So here can written 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is both power add. So this imply 2, here 3 LCM, then 3 divided by 3, that is 1, 1 multiply by 2, that is 2, 3 by 3, 1, 1 multiply by 1, that is 1. So 2 to the power 3 by 3. So cut it, that is 2 to the power 1. This is the example number 21 ka first. And second part. Second part is 3 to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power 4. 3 to the power 1 by 5 into whole to the power 4. So power multiply, use this property, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. So use this property. So this equal to 3 to the power 1 by 5 into 4, both are multiply, that is 3 to the power 4 by 5. So this is the required answer. Third is 7 to the power 1 by 5 divided by 7 to the power 1 by 3. Simplify. Here use property. Since a to the power m by a to the power n can written a to the power m minus n, डिवाइड में पावर क्या होता है माइनस, तो यहाँ आप माइनस कर दो. सो दिस इक्वल टू 7 to the, this is a property, so this equal to 7 to the power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3, both power minus. Now simplify. So 7, LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. When 5 divided by 15 becomes 3, multiply by 1, so this 3, then minus, divide by 3, that is 5, multiply by 1, that is 5. So this equal to 7 to the power 3 minus 5, that is minus 2 by 15. And when this term taking denominator, then power becomes plus. So this can written 1 by 7 to the power 2 by 15. This term taking denominator, then sign changed. So this is the third part. Now fourth part. Fourth is 13 to the power 1 by 5 into 17 to the power 1 by 5, and power same. So this can retain, use this property, a to the power m into b to the power m. This can retain a into b whole to the power m. Use this property. Here base are different, power same. So this can retain 13 into 17 whole to the power 1 by 5. Now multiply 13 into 17. Its product is 221 whole to the power 1 by 5. So this is the required answer. So now same as exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6, you try it and solve this question. So exercise 1.6 as a homework. Same question given a previous example. So solve this question. Suppose one question, second का fifth, fourth. Question number 2 का fourth part. Find 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. Question is find, that is simplify, that is find the value of this number. So this 125, factorize it, 125. This 125 can return 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 whole to the power 1 by 3. So 5 into 5 into 5 can return 5 power 3 and whole to the power minus 1 by 3. Now both power multiply. So this 3 cancel also. So this equal to 5 to the power minus 1, and this term taking denominator, then this can return 1 by 5 to the power 1. 1 understood, 1 तो नोट नहीं करेंगे. So this is the required answer, and all questions are very easy. Exercise 1.6. So you try and solve this question. Okay.